had a few hiccups with the whole COVID situation and the lockdowns, I'm so happy that the end result of this project turned out exactly like we imagined it. So we just finished a project in Chennai for a young couple, their newborn and their three cats. We came on board at a very early stage of the project, so we could actually make a lot of changes like the flooring, fittings, and mainly the layout. The first thing which caught my attention was the large entryway, which you don't find in most of the new apartments nowadays. So we wanted to take full advantage of that and make it really stand out. We went with a bold geometric black and white pattern tile for the flooring and a deep navy for the built-in cabinetry and seating to punch in some color. We also had the opportunity to design all the doors and chose a teak veneer finish for the main door, which makes a great first impression. So moving to the living and dining space, we went with wooden flooring which also flows into the bedrooms, tying the entire space together. So as per the builder's plan, the TV was on the longer wall and the seating was to be placed against the smaller wall on the opposite side. We decided to switch the positions and that made so much difference to the space. A sectional sofa worked perfectly here as it's a great way to divide the space into living and dining zone. We went with a very subtle stone finish tile for the TV wall and kept the rest of the walls white. For the dining, we went with a four-seater and anchored it with a built-in bar cabinet. We also made a little nook for the cats with a hidden litter box cabinet and added a perch wall for them as well. For the kitchen, we chose a stone finished vitrified tiles for the flooring and a black French door to add some contrast to the white walls. We went with a deep forest green for the cabinetry and paired them with brass hardware. To keep it a little maintenance friendly, we went with black granite for the countertop and lightened up the space with white picket tiles for the backsplash, which also adds a very subtle pattern to the space. Since our client is also a professional baker, we gave her ample storage space with a tall unit on one side, which accommodates all the kitchen appliances as well. The first thing I noticed about the guest bedroom is how it gets filled with natural light, so we wanted to keep the space fresh and bright. We chose a neutral printed wallpaper for the feature wall to bring in some subtle pattern to the space and brought in the color element through the emerald green upholstered bed. And to give the space a classic feel, we went with louvered wooden shutters for the wardrobe. We wanted to create a home office that looks professional at the same time feels like it's part of the home. We went with a moody grey for the entire room, including the wardrobes, to make it look seamless. And to add some visual interest to the space, we went with a board and batten wall treatment for the feature wall. We custom made this rich walnut finish office desk to tie in with the rest of the home. While the blue accent chairs bring in the pop of color, the black leather finish office chair helps to add some contrast to the space. For the master bedroom, we painted the headboard wall in a deep Prussian blue and lightened up the space with clean white wardrobe shutters and paired them with black sleek handles. The wooden mid-century modern bed with the headboard in a light grey fabric works great against the dark wall. And we also added wall sconces where we could bring in a bit of the brass element to the space. For the bathroom, we went with a dark, moody tone with a textured charcoal grey tile, and we went with bath fittings in a French gold finish to give it an understated, luxurious feel. For the balcony, we went with a stone textured floor tile and laid them in a herringbone pattern. We also added wooden paneling to the ceiling here to bring in some warm tones, and my favorite addition to the space is the black French doors, which also became the feature element of the home.